So, hi guys. Today we're gonna play. I dive, and I'm playing Blox outside because my friends really tell me to touch grass, and I'm like, I literally touch grass every day. You hear that? Grass. So I touch grass today, and we're gonna try to get my 100K back while I'm outside. So like, let's do it. Oh my gosh, I need more shade. The really hard part is that I need shade, and since now it's now there's less shade. I mean less light blocking. So yeah, so I'm gonna try to upgrade my blizzard mastery cause I need blizzard to be blizzard domain. Cause I think blizzard does a very good combo. So like I'm gonna literally just use blizzard, and I'm not using a microphone. Guys, I'm not using a microphone, by the way. I heard about this feature just today. There's microphone on one. And before, I thought like, well, how am I doing this? And I made more. I thought it was like an inbuilt feature, but you can turn it on and off. It's like a microphone thing. It was very, very cool. So like, I'm gonna do this captain out. Let's go. I have enough to like. Hope I have enough. Let's go. I killed Captain Elephant. Hello. Oh no. Why dragon spammers? Oh no. I'm not really into this blizzard combo thing. I'm not saying just because. And a bumblebee. Bumblebee. I'm standing on the grass right now. Ran because of a bumblebee. Yo, I have sprinklers on. Oh, I have sprinklers on currently. So it's gonna be really hard. I have sprinklers on. It's gonna be really hard. Run. Yeah. Oh, phew. That's always the Okay, so no. I'm running away because of a bumblebee. What the hell? Did something happen? Oh, dimension disappeared. So I'm a server hop this. Boss. There's currently no Wi-Fi. Not at all. just sit at the shady spot, the bee always comes. Okay. So, and the bee is still, what the hell? I'm gonna sit here, guys. I'm gonna stay close to the house. Cause if I stay close to the house, then need shade. I'm gonna stay close to the house, guys. And there's bugs. Why in every shade there's like a trillion bugs? Yay. Legs, man. Oh my. I don't think the Wi-Fi is connected. Wait a minute. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is connected. What?
What up, college ring?
No. Well, that was really just my parents and someone named Bart. Okay. Okay, fine. Bro. So like, bro, he said 1v1. Bart literally said 1v1. I 1v1 them. And he said lag. I didn't even know he said lag. Okay. Let's just get to killing that elephant boss because I need mastery for my blizzard. This feels like bugs are on my leg. Oh my gosh. Captain Elephant. And okay. Whoa! Where is it? Man, Captain Elephant never spawns. What about the Hydra Island boss? What if she or he spawned? It's Empress, so she spawned. What about she spawned? Bart, man, bro really tried to get free bounty out of me. Bro, it went so. There's no one here. Is this server dead? No, it's not dead. Still stuff. Wait a minute. Oh no. Oh my gosh. It's dead. It has so many exploiters. And the first, it has so many exploiters. Only probably I think this dude. I think 2 people in the whole server are the only ones that have it. I'm gonna make it 1. I'm sorry, okay? Wait. He's doing trials. Me. What race? What race? Let's see, man. What race? I'm human. I'm only human after all. What about you? Oh, okay, bro. I can finally put my blizzard to the. I'm gonna go to like a less noisy area. I'm gonna go to a less noisy area, and I'm inside the house now. Since outside there's so much bugs and stuff, so like, yeah, bro. Yeah, this place also noisy. Drink some water, bro. Bro, no one's gonna ask for trial. The server's dead. Wait, next night is full? I mean, we can find one person. Yo, Berserker. Oh, King Sniper. Wait, she just joined. Bruh. Okay, what race is the dude? What race is he? What race are you? What race are you? Oh. Is that a bot? Is that a bot? Wait. Try. I'm gonna also bet this one. Try anyone. I'm human. Try anyone. I'm human. Hey, what about me? Hey, you want some trials? I'm human. Okay. Yo. Human. Tree. Yes, sir. I'ma go quick, man. For real. Dude, I think I might die because if I get like the max one, I might like. Oh no, he's. I burped. Excuse me. Yes, I am. Oh my god. It's gonna take forever. But Blizzard is not really good for its combos because it's AoE, so it does like damage. It's really good for its combos because like it's AoE and you can do a other attack after that attack. Because that attack like lasts a long time and it just damages the player again and again and again. And then you can add another attack to add more AoE. And you can add another attack to add more AoE. And then basically you added too much AoE that the person dies. That's why Blizzard said people. go. Dude, bro, he got like 2v4, bro. He got 2v4. Oh, now my friend won. Okay, let's see. Is anyone here? Only us? Wait, is May even in the server? Not here. He's not even in server. Let me just say, anyone trial. Anyone trials. Human. Sure. Taken. Dude, I haven't even got V4. Trial. We need trial. Test out my Is that like a good combo against a person? I'm doing this to a wood block right here. I think it's a good blizzard combo, right? I think the last move is like just one more person. Man. Okay. Hell is gonna pay. Oh, you paid a fruit, man. Yeah, wait, but what if he gets scammed? Don't do that one. Just flash up here. Oh my, wait. Oh no. Yo. I should go there, right? Oh, it has some code. Yo, I can't do it. I thought I would do it, but it had some like code. Oh, it has some code and stuff. I'm screwed. Wait, let me do it to a flat. Okay, I need it. Wait. Oh my. Dude, the moon ain't gonna last forever. It's still going up, so that's good. Let's go. I'm back. So I think you can't go up the stairs. You can't go up these stairs right here. I think like they have some code embedded to them. Like if after you do like some certain thing, it'll just go back. It has some code. Wait, I think you have to go far enough. I can't go up. It's gonna show some code. if I go enough up, it's gonna show. If I just do this, see, it's gonna bring me back to the Temple of Time. If I do it like far enough, it's gonna bring me back. That's what happens. Do the trial. I'm a level of my. Nah. I'm a level of my. Long. It's gonna take too long, man. And there's a whole war going on here. Dude, by the time that they figure out what to do, the full moon's already gonna end. This is as bad as the American Civil War. Let's go. The boss is here. I'll do the quest to get some extra money, because I need money. Look at my bottom bar, like right here. I have very less. It's gonna help me fund up. But if it was in real life, I would be happy. Because 30K just to kill someone, I think hitmen get paid like a few K to just kill people. 5K probably to kill someone. But you never know, man. Hey, that's a combo. That's a combo. You know what? Like, I want to do trial. Oh no. Hello? See, look how much damage I just did. I can just do that again and again with AoE. And this boss is chunky. Cool. Do this quick way. Oh no. The whole great tree is now an arena. Who's there? Just go to like the Oh, bro, you just woke up and you're thinking about the One Piece live action. You're thinking about the oh. Wait, he got scammed? Wait, bro, that Tom dude. Did he get scammed? I lost control of how you just open V4. Wait, they're doing a trial?
Oh, this is Roger's execution. Look, this is Gold Roger. Yo, look, Naruto. This is Gold Roger.
Bro, you're what? Wait, what episodes are there?
8 episodes because it's new. And it's 1 hour.
Bro.
1 hour each.
Damn.
I'm gonna drink some water because I need hydration.
It's 7 a.m. right now.
Well, that's far.
LF trial. LF means looking forward. Oh my god. LF, bro, the Tom dude, I think the hell dude got scammed. Cause he got scammed out of his portal. And the moon, and the full moon's going down. Bro, did he scam you? Did he scam you? Wait a minute. Oh, wait. Does it do damage? What happened? Wait. Yo! Man. I'm going to the castle on the sea. I'm gonna defeat more boss. Oh, what the hell? Oh my god. And my battery turned to 20%. Wait. Now I lost down. I don't even